Stop wasting money on gym memberships. What if I told you that 7 simple bodyweight exercises can build your entire physique, and most people have no idea what they are? By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to transform your body. Let's get into it. I've been training for over a decade, and 70% of my results came from bodyweight training. Before we start, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I drop real fitness content every week that actually works. Now let's dive in. The fitness industry wants you to think you need more equipment, more supplements, more complicated routines. But here's the truth, you don't need any of that. You just need to know which exercises actually work. I'm breaking down 7 bodyweight exercises that hit every muscle group. You can do them anywhere, your living room, a park, a hotel. I'll show you how to do each one, what they target, and how to make them easier or harder. Let's go. Number 1. Push-ups. The ultimate upper body builder. Hits chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Here's the right way. Hands shoulder width apart, elbows at 45 degrees, body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower until your chest almost touches the ground, push back up. Too hard? Drop to your knees. Too easy? Elevate your feet or try diamond push-ups. 3 sets of 10 to 20 reps. This alone builds a solid upper body. Number 2. Pull-ups. Non-negotiable for a strong back and biceps. Grab a bar, playground, doorway pull-up bar, tree branch, doesn't matter. Overhand grip, hands slightly wider than shoulders. Pull yourself up until your chin clears the bar. Lower with control, no swinging. Can't do one yet? Start with negative pull-ups. Jump to the top and slowly lower yourself down, or use resistance bands. 3 sets to failure. Your back will explode with growth. Number 3. Body weight squats. Want strong legs? This is it. Builds quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core. Feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly out. Lower like you're sitting in a chair. Chest up, knees over toes. Go as low as you can with heels down, then drive back up. Too easy? Try jump squats or single-leg pistol squats for a killer challenge. 3 sets of 20 to 30 reps. Your legs will be on fire. Number 4. Lunges. Secret weapon for balanced, powerful legs. They target each leg individually and fix muscle imbalances. Step forward, lower your back knee toward the ground until both knees are at 90 degrees. Push back up. Keep your torso upright. Want more challenge? Walking lunges, reverse lunges, or jumping lunges. 3 sets of 12 to 15 per leg. Your glutes and quads will blow up. Number 5. Planks. Your core is the foundation of everything. Weak core means weak lifts, bad posture, and back pain. Forearms on the ground, body straight from head to heels. Squeeze your glutes, brace your core like someone's about to punch you in the stomach. Hold it. Start with 30 seconds. Work up to 2 minutes. Try side planks for your obliques. 3 sets. Your abs will be carved out of stone. Real quick, if you're getting value, smash that like button and drop a comment telling me which exercise you're most excited to try. I read every single one. Number 6. Dips. King of tricep and chest builders. Use parallel bars, a sturdy chair, or even your couch. Hands on the edge behind you, legs extended. Lower by bending your elbows until they hit 90 degrees. Push back up. Keep your back close to the surface. Beginners, bend your knees. Advanced, elevate your feet or add weight. 3 sets of 10 to 15. Your triceps will pop like never before. Number 7. Burpees. Everyone hates these, but they work. Full body conditioning, fat burning, cardio, all in one. Start standing, drop into a push-up position, do the push-up, jump your feet back to your hands, explode up into a jump. That's 1 rep. These will gas you out fast, which is the point. 3 sets of 10. your conditioning will skyrocket and fat will melt off. There you have it, 7 exercises that build your entire body. Push-ups, pull-ups, squats, lunges, planks, dips, and burpees. No gym needed, no equipment, just consistency and effort. Here's your challenge. Do this routine 3 times a week for 30 days. Film yourself on day 1 and day 30. I guarantee you'll see results. Want a complete workout plan with sets, reps, and progressions? I've got a free guide linked in the description. Grab that right now. Before you go, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. And if you know someone who needs to see this, share it with them right now. Look, most people fail because they overcomplicate things. They wait for perfect conditions, perfect motivation, the perfect moment. But the truth is simple. You just need these 7 exercises and the discipline to show up. Stop overthinking. Start doing. I'll see you in the next one.